Welcome back to Learn Lingala with me, your host, Joel. Today's word of the day is Nzela. Nzela. Nzela, which means road or path, depending on how it's used in a sentence. So Nzela means road or it could mean path. So na English ngoloba Nzela okoloba road or path. So road is a mo okoloba so ngoloba ke neti mutuka ekumaka na Nzela wana okoloba road. So ngoloba place batu batambula ka batu amela batu ba kumbaka velo okoloba path. One pe batu ya batu loba anglais ba loba pe path pe bakisi way. So ba road pathway ngala seneti way ngala ksa Nzela pe way boy need be boy kende boy pathway. So Nzela wana. Okay, so let's look at how to say Nzela in a sentence. So in English, we will take the road over the mountain. We will take the road over the mountain. Tokokende Nzela. Pardon, Tokokende Nzela ya ngomba. Tokokende Nzela ya ngomba. So that means we are going. In theory, it means in English it's really like saying we will go over the mountain. So that's what it really translates to, word for word. Tokokende Nzela ya mountain. So it kind of means we will go over the mountain. So in that sense, do you get what I'm trying to say? So again, here you see T-O, right? So T-O is not the English pronunciation. Oh, two, you're right, two. Do, go. And this, again, in English, this K-O, it's an action, right? So it means two. So tokomela, tokobina, tokomela, which means we will drink. Tokobina, we're gonna dance. So it's an action. To drink, to dance. Then we got na, which is again really popular. So Nzela. So na again really means I myself, but in this context, Tokokende. So that means there's more than one. So it means we are going. So this, even though na here in English, this will really mean I, myself. But in this sentence, because we've established at the beginning here, at the beginning point, we've established at this first two words, we've established that it's a group. It's a group. So it's not one person. At this part, we've already established that it's more than one person. Tokokende. That means we are going. So do you get what I mean? So that na does not mean I in this terminology. Tokokende Nzela na ya. Tokokende Nzela ya Nzela way. So again, Nzela could mean way. It could mean road. It could mean path. So it just really depends on how you say it in a sentence. It's got different meanings. So way, road, path, Nzela, ya. So ya, the. So ya, really we can say for ya we can write the. So ya. So that in that sense it means the. Ngomba means mountain. So mountain. Sorry, I put an extra N, isn't it? So mountain. Okay, so ngomba means mountain. Tala ngomba wana. Look at that mountain. All right, so try and practice that word of the day. Again, I'm your host, Joel. I really would appreciate if you follow the page. Leave a comment underneath if you learned